Welcome to another episode of Off-Point Cooking. I'm Marlon White, and everybody that knows me knows that I'm on a ketogenic diet, so I'm always looking for new ways to mix things up. So today we're going to be making keto chocolate nut bars using these following ingredients. So for this recipe, you're going to need almond nuts, sugar-free chocolate chips, double cream, almond butter, and sweeteners. Start by adding half a cup of almond nuts to a Ziploc bag. Then use a rolling pin and crush your almond nuts. Once crushed, put to the side. Now add 1 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips to a bowl. Now add 3/4 of a cup of double cream to the bowl. Now swirl the bowl around so the double cream gets evenly distributed and covers all your chocolate chips. Heat in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until the chocolate chips melt. Now use a spoon to mix together the double cream and chocolate chips. Now add 1 tablespoon of almond butter to the bowl. Now add half a cup of artificial sweetness to the bowl. Now add the bag of almond nuts that you crushed earlier to the bowl. Now mix the bowl very well until all the ingredients combined. Now in a freezer-friendly container lined with baking paper, you're going to add your mixture. Now place in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours in 2 sets. After 1 to 2 hours, remove from the freezer. Now remove the baking paper. Now cut your chocolate bars into whatever size or shape you desire. Your keto nut bars are now ready to serve. These nut bars are best stored in the fridge. So this has been another episode of Off-Point Cooking. I hope you enjoyed. Before you get out of it, please check out offpointcooking.com. The written version to all my recipes will be available on the website. The link will be in the description below. Please like the current video and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel.